Someone has a fat belly.
I think she's talking to you. This what you like? Is this what I'm supposed to do for the next 2-3 hours?
She loves it.
Are you gonna fall asleep to this?